Once we've got some scan profiles set up here and some policies, what we may actually want to do is kick those policies off on a regular basis and actually scan some specific hosts with the different policies that we've got. Nessus actually provides the ability to do that quickly, even though you can't actually schedule runs necessarily. What I could do here is I could create a template, and let me show you the creation of a template. And the template is just a way of setting some specific details about a scan. We're going to call this new template. And I'm going to say, rather than run now, I'm going to say this is a template. And I'm going to choose the policy here. I'm going to say my policy is the policy. And now I can say 172.30.42.55, 172.30.42.4, and 172.30.42.1. And we're going to actually scan those. You see, rather than starting scan down here, what I've got is the ability to create a template. Now that I've created the template, now instead of actually going through and doing this every time, like if I wanted to create a scan over here, and I wanted to do that same thing, I could say scan here, and then I could add my targets in, and I would have to go through that every time I wanted to kick off a scan. Where a template gives me the ability to set up all of that information, choose the profile or the policy that I want to use, as well as the hosts that I want to scan, and now all I have to do is select that template, and then I can say launch template right here. So this is going to say, do you want to launch? It's going to launch it for me, and now we've got a scan queue up and running. It doesn't give me the ability to set a schedule on it like every week, Sunday at 6 p.m., for example, but it does give me the ability to kick off a scan very quickly with a specific set of information from the hosts to the policy that I actually want to scan with. So templates give me the ability to very quickly kick some things off, rather than having to go to the scan queue and kicking off a scan every time I want to do a scan. If this is something I want to do on a regular basis, I can set up that policy and then just launch the policy very, very quickly.